Here I have 400 grams of oyster mushrooms, which I have already cleaned and blanched for the posto curry. Blend 50 gram poppy seeds with 3 to 4 chopped green chilies and a little water to make a smooth posto paste. Adjust the ingredients as per your requirement or taste. I chopped 3 medium potatoes, boiled them with little salt, and now I am frying them with just a pinch of turmeric and red chili powder. No extra salt since they were already boiled in salted water. After removing the potatoes, I used the same oil to start preparing the curry. First I added a few whole spices, cinnamon sticks, 2 bay leaves, 3 to 4 green cardamoms and 4 to 6 cloves. Then I added 3 medium-sized chopped onions and sauteed them until golden. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and the poppy seeds paste. Cook on low heat until the spices blend and the paste becomes fragrant. After the spices and the poppy seeds paste have cooked for a while, add the mushrooms and the fried potatoes. Mix everything well so that the flavors coat the vegetables evenly. Once the mushroom and the potatoes are well coated with spices, pour in water as required to form the gravy. Add salt to taste and let it simmer so the flavors combine. After simmering the curry for about 8 to 10 minutes, it is ready for final touch. Take a separate vessel and heat mustard oil. Fry all dry red chilies and curry leaves for a few seconds. Then pour the tadka over the curry to finish. Turn off the heat and serve the curry hot with steamed rice or roti.